I thought she was coming here.
Huh?
I thought she was coming here.
No, I'm just gonna go there. It's easier.
These kids. So, here is your engine bay of pretty much every Dodge minivan made from 2003 on. Here is your battery. Okay? Positive, negative, battery hold down. You see that there? So, the way we do this, 10mm wrench. Disconnect the negative side. So this has got to be loose. You can see that the negative terminal is loose. Sometimes this gets really tight. You need to pry that with a screwdriver. Let's see. Like so. You take this and give it a little bit of a twist. Just a little motion like that. Alright? And that twist that open. You see it loosen up there. And out it comes. Move it out of the way. Tuck it under something. And then same thing with the positive side. Now, you don't always have this. This is for my trailer harness. My trailer connector. So take that, loosen that like so. Same thing here. That's loose. Out it comes. Out of the way. Then our bolt down here is a 13mm. And we're going to take this and we're going to go
Leaving.
like this. Love you too.
See you
Bye.
later.
And like so. Until you get this loose enough. See, there's like a, oh, that's not loose enough. That's better. Move that. This little plastic bracket in here will slide back enough for you. See that here? That's got to slide back, and it's not loose enough. I don't know how many turns we got here so far. 300 or 400. Who knows? This is actually a very long bolt. And then this will slide back. And then you can just pull the battery out like so. Okay, make sure this gives you a better idea of how this works. And actually could be loosened up a little more. You see how this slides back and forth. I want this to be able to slide all the way back so that when you put the new battery in, which is, oh, it's right there, that it goes back in. And you make sure that it's that way. You slide, you saw this. This was pulled all the way back. And see how it goes all the way in now? I'm going to tighten that back up. That. Now, of course, if you had a socket or power tools, this would go much faster, but no, Everybody has wrenches. Fairly simple to do. And you want to get this so it's just snug. You don't have to put a pipe on it to tighten it down. Once it starts getting kind of tight, see when I'm holding it here, push it with my fingers. When it starts getting hard to push, just with 1 or 2 fingers, we're probably good there. And then, back to the positive side. If you look here, you see that's positive there. That's negative there. See it? Put the positive back on. And then we're going to tighten that up with our... I'm going to make sure it's down all the way. Put that down out of the way. This is pretty much for every battery on the planet. Except those fancy cars. Remember, we tucked the negative away. Nope. And that's our alarm system coming back on. That will certainly make you jump. Tighten that. And again, good and snug. And the only thing is, when you tighten up the positive, make sure you don't touch any metal when you're tightening it up. Then you'll bridge it, create a short. That won't be pretty. We don't want to do that. Alright. Reset your radio. Bring back your battery back to whoever you bought your new one from. And you'll be good to go.